If you're sitting here looking at all this great content in our 2023 calendar and planning e-kit and wondering, well, that's great, but what do I do with all of this? So let's kind of walk through that for you. As a quick recap, you do get the 10 printable wall calendars that are in doc and PDF format that can be edited into Word, uploaded to Canva and Adobe Acrobat. We also have 5 at-a-glance printable calendars. We have a report that you can use as an opt-in. It's smart tips for managing a busy schedule. And we have 10 organization and scheduling articles and 1 printable newsletter to get your subscribers super organized. Now let's look at some ideas for each one. First, with the 12-month calendars, you can make these as products for sale. They can be for your customers to print, or you can print on demand and ship to the customer with a comb binding, for example. You could use them as digital printable downloads to grow your list. It's a timely offer that your customers will love. They're getting ready for the new year, and be sure to upsell and follow up for some of your products for sale that will help them get even better organized for the new year. Ship them out as client gifts. Add some other useful printables as well, to boost the thoughtfulness of your gift. For any gifts or free downloads, make sure you add your logo and branding and a special coupon or offer for each month. The at-a-glance calendars are perfect for, perfect for printing out and sending them in the mail. You can add your branding and put a special offer on the back side or the front side, wherever you want. You can give them as a free printable gifts for your customers, and of course, include your branding and special offer on that as well. Then we've included the special report on smart tips for managing a busy schedule. Now, give this report away in return for an opt-in. The more targeted subscribers you have, the better. Make sure your free opt-in report leads the reader to a related product that will help them get even better results. Include some promotions inside the report, on the thank you page, and in the email follow-up. We personally recommend adding your own introduction, which also introduces you and your company, and a conclusion, as those are perfect places to incorporate your special offers. So they get the report for free, but they get some extra info on how to upgrade their skills or get a more useful product. Give your affiliates a link to your opt-in offer so they can bring you new subscribers and customers. Use the content as a free webinar or paid course script. We've done the outline and details for you. Now you can run with them. You also get 10 organization and scheduling articles, and these are perfect for your blog, social media, incorporating into your emails, bundling up into reports as own. You can make each article your own by adding a unique introduction saying why you're sharing this. You can also include examples or personal stories, and you don't have to spend a lot of time personalizing, but the exercise of doing so makes it easier for you to make the content more relevant to your product offers, increasing the chances of your customers buying. And of course, include a promotion for a product or another free opt-in offer so that you can get them on your list or to buy something. You always have to ask for that sale. And we also have a printable newsletter. We chose to do it printable that you could turn into a PDF because a lot of people see value in tangible piece of content they can hold in their hands. You can use this newsletter as a template to create more issues. They could be an opt-in offer, part of your paid membership, or even a paid newsletter subscription. Add your content to your best content to the newsletters. We've already created one issue for you, but you can also add more. Also remember to include product promotions so your customers know where they can get more useful stuff. Create relationships with others in your niche and have them contribute to your additional issues. Feature customer stories, photos, and results, building a sense of community in your newsletter. Lots of great ideas for you to get started with. Be sure to grab your 2023 calendar and planning e-kit.